Hello, welcome back to Color and Canvas. You can see I'm fast forwarding this video because this is another one of those bloopers where the technique just didn't work out, but we got a really nice painting at the end. So I wanted to show to you how we got there, just to give you a little bit of encouragement. We were trying for a pearl pour, so that is black and gold paint mixed to a much thicker consistency than that lavender blend that I put on top. And the lavender paint was completely different kind of paint that I haven't used before, so even mixing it with the Floetrol and water, see, no pearls, absolutely nothing. All the gold paint and the black paint is trapped underneath. That lavender is not breaking up. The pearls are not coming through. So as a pearl pour, it was a complete fail. But now we have this canvas full of paint. And you guys know me, I do not like to scrape. I would rather just play with the paint for half an hour and scrape it later, but I'd like to try first. So I took some Amsterdam white and some Amsterdam black, and I mixed them together with Floetrol and water to a really, really thin consistency, and some 24 karat gold as well. And I thought, we have all of this paint on here, it'll make an interesting base coat. Let's just pour some paint in the middle and blow it out with the hairdryer and see what happens. So that's just me thinning the paints out to a really, really thin consistency with water and Floetrol. So here we go. Let's pour them in the middle, get out that hairdryer, and see what will happen next. And it's kind of cool. Oh, that's the 24 karat gold. I had it mixed for another pour and it was thicker, so I just added a little bit of water to it. And now it's the right consistency. So here goes. Some gold, some white. Blow it out with that little hairdryer. Ooh, that's not looking so good at all. But see all that black underneath? There it is, like we found the black paint. But let's just try one more time. This is going to be the charm. This is going to look so pretty. A little bit of additional black, and here we go. So as I blew out this paint, it really reminded me of a lotus flower shape. It's upside down from your perspective, but from where I was looking, it definitely looked like a lotus. So it gave me the idea to put a little peace, namaste, Om symbol, something. So I went online, I found that beautiful Om shape, I love it, but I forgot to record when I started it. So I printed out just a little stencil of the shape, got some carbon paper, put it down, taped it on, and just went over it with a pencil to make an outline. And then I painted it in with a very, very fine paintbrush. I mixed together some black and gold and pearlescent medium to do the original. But it came out a little bit darker than I wanted, and you know, it doesn't matter because you let it dry and you go over it again. I have a paintbrush, I have paint, I could go over it as often as I want. So I just mixed together different kinds of pearlescent medium and gold and black and just went over it, and as it dried they were translucent and shiny, and eventually I got it to a point that I wanted. But I just wanted to show you just the process of how it went. I think I went over it 3 different times with different paint blends over the course of a few days. But I'm really, really happy with the way that it turned out. And I just wanted to encourage you, even if your pour isn't perfect the first time, keep trying, have some fun, keep working on it. And you may be pleasantly surprised that you've created something beautiful that you didn't plan. Thanks for watching our little blooper reel of our Om painting. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.